Alright, here's the next thing that's going in the baby room. It's one of these like box drawer organizer things. You have like a little cubes that you put in there and you just put stuff inside of. So this one allows you to have 6 cubes. Let's go ahead and get this guy going. This is more of my least favorite compressed sawdust stuff, but again, fairly simple to assemble. So start off with the B panel. Now the stupid thing is this wants me to use Allen bolts. So I'm just going to go get my Allen adapters for my drill because I'm not going to sit here and do this by hand. Got my adapter here. And then, okay, this is the right size here. This is H4 Allen. Alright, 2 bolts are going to unite this thing. Perfect. Can't really pass through. Okay, and the C's go to the B using dowels, and of course I'm going to find out that I've done this backward. Lovely. Let's redo that. Fantastic. There's some holes for dowels for mounting the shelves on one side of the board, so have to be cognizant of that. Just kind of semi-thread the bolts in by hand, push the panels together, and then bolt them down. Alright, so I'm going to go here, turn this over. H1 by 4 into these C panels. Of course, having the slightest idea what constitutes an H1. They all look the same to me. Yeah, whatever. It says to pre-moisten these. Apparently they're pre-glued. So, okay. Bring a little cup with water and dump them. I like that they actually took the time to properly drill these holes so that the dowels bottom out, as opposed to just sliding all the way in. That's nice of them. Rarely happens. Might want to have a rubber mallet for that part. You don't have to caveman it the way I'm doing. Moisten these dowels. Oh shoot. Okay, so there's panel D. It's gonna get some dowels as well. It's gotta go across here. Okay, and the rest of the dowel. Alright. That's that. Then assuming we'll put on another B panel. Dowels. Knock that down. Put the screws in through the back. And with that done, flip this over. put the final A panel down. Kind of align it on the dowels. Holes are not aligning here. Got one. Got two. Three. Four. Alright. So the main structure of this is now built. I believe this is going to go over by the wall. It's going to go horizontally, so I'm actually flipping this over. See what's left to do constructions wise. Alright, so the entire unit's built. Really all I have left to do is to put in these little brackets. These brackets are for wall mounting. I don't know that they're necessary in my application, but I'll give myself the option. If I want to strap it to the wall in the future, brackets will be there. So just going to go ahead, grab these screws. I'll come in through the very back, pop one bracket on the bottom. If I ever want to slide that out, I have the option. Flip this bad boy over. Just do the same thing on the opposite side. Go. That thing's done. You can clean up what's left. We'll put that where it goes. So here's the final product. We're gonna put our leopard geckos on top of this. Unfortunately, the room is quite cluttered right now. I do apologize for that. As we prepare for the incoming baby, we acquired many more things over, you know, gifts and stuff like that. So right now our room is cluttered with many things, some of which I personally question the need for. So there you have it. There is the 6-cube organizer with the leopard geckos up top. We've received the cubes in the mail and they're placed inside the various, you know, little cubbies. If you've enjoyed this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you're notified whenever we post up another video. If you have any questions, comments, or feedback, feel free to leave that in the comments section. And as always, thank you guys for watching.